Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has voiced his thoughts on South African football and the recognition, or lack thereof, that his dominant side receives just months after taking the helm. The Portuguese manager, who replaced Mangoba Mnisi in December following a string of underwhelming performances, has quickly turned Sundowns' season around. Under his guidance, the Brazilians have secured an unprecedented eighth consecutive DStv Premiership title and earned a spot in the CAF Champions League final, where they will face Egyptian giants Pyramid FC. Despite the club's remarkable consistency and success, Cardoso believes Sundowns are still not afforded the respect they rightfully deserve within the local football community. He was speaking in an interview with Metro FM on Monday Sports Worldwide. Cardoso said Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates are iconic clubs with massive support that much I respect, but the club I represent has done an exceptional job in flying the South African flag on the continental stage. Cardoso highlighted Sundowns' continued excellence not just in domestic competitions but also in Africa, where they've become regular contenders, and said when a club wins repeatedly year after year and represents the country the way we have, better than anyone in the last decade, that respect should be automatic for this group of players. But even in my short time here, I've noticed that's not always the case. In addition to the club achievements, Cardoso celebrated Sundowns' influence on the national team. A significant number of Bafana Bafana call-ups have come from his squad, something he takes immense pride in. And said it makes me proud that Mamelodi Sundowns serves as the foundation of the national team. It speaks volumes about the quality we have. As the season draws to a close, Cardoso made a final appeal to the league and the broader football fraternity to ensure Sundowns' dominance is recognized when it comes time for awards and accolades, and said, I hope the PSL award reflect the performances we've put on display, the trophies, the data, and result, they all speak for themselves. With the CAF Champions League final on the horizon and domestic silverware in the bag, Cardoso Sundowns have once again set the standard. Now their coach wants the respect to match the results. Meanwhile, Mamelodi Sundowns defender Musa Libusa has disclosed the team's strategy for stopping Pyramids FC striker Fiston Mayele as they gear up to face the Egyptian side in the CAF Champions League final. Sundowns will host Pyramids at Loftus Versfeld Stadium for the first leg of the Champions League final on Saturday. The return leg is set for June in Cairo, where both teams will compete for the prestigious Continental Trophy at the June 30 Stadium. Masan Tawana reached the final by virtue of the away goal rule, having drawn 1-1 aggregate against Al Ahly in the semi-finals. Meanwhile, Pyramids secured their place in the final by defeating Betway Premiership giants Orlando Pirates 3-2 on aggregate. In their match against Pirates, standout striker Mayele was a key player for Pyramids, scoring a brace in the second leg. Having proven his lethal scoring qualities on the continent, the Sundowns centre-back Libusa has revealed that they are planning to keep Mayele away from the penalty box, where he's mostly dangerous. The 30-year-old has netted 16 goals and provided 2 assists for the Egyptian Premier League outfit in all competitions. Libusa said Mayele is a very good player, but we don't focus on one player, we focus on the team as a whole. So for us, we just want to keep Pyramids as far away as possible from our penalty box and make sure that we minimize their scoring chances. We know that in and around the box, Mayele is deadly, and that's one thing we are looking at. Hopefully we'll succeed and make sure that we'll get an advantage. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.